Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a late income tax return. First, it's crucial to gather all your financial documents, such as W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and receipts for deductions. Next, figure out if the tax authority owes you a refund or if you owe them money. This initial step helps you understand your situation and the potential impact of late filing. Knowing this upfront can save you a lot of stress and help you plan your next moves effectively. Once your documents are organized, the next step is to accurately calculate your tax liability. You can use reputable tax software, which guides you through the process, or seek assistance from a qualified tax professional. They can help ensure all deductions and credits are applied correctly. Take your time to complete all forms, paying close attention to detail. A thorough review of your return for any errors before submission is absolutely essential to avoid future headaches. With your return prepared, it's time to submit it. You can typically file electronically, which is often the fastest method, or send a paper copy by mail. If you discover you owe taxes, it's vital to pay the amount due promptly. This helps to stop the accumulation of additional penalties and interest charges. If paying the full amount isn't feasible right away, contact the tax authority to explore setting up an installment agreement or payment plan to manage your debt. Finally, be aware that penalties for both late filing and late payment can add up significantly. However, in some situations, you might be eligible to request penalty abatement if you have a reasonable cause for the delay. It's worth investigating this option. Moving forward, establish a system to help you file on time every year. Setting reminders, organizing documents throughout the year, and planning ahead can prevent future late filings and keep you on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.